We're videoing here on Sheikh Zayed Road in Dubai. On the right side there's a highway being constructed, a raised road system. As big as this highway is, and you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lanes here, and probably the same on the other side on the incoming traffic. It's still not enough, and they're growing further, as you can see. Here in front of us on the right is the Burj Khalifa, the world's largest tower. On the extreme right you have Business Bay, and here you have the metro station. In the background is some nice relaxing Italian music. As we're coming up now, on the right side there is downtown, all around Burj Khalifa. There's also the Dubai Mall, which is the world's largest shopping mall. And if we went straight, we're actually turning slight right now so that we can go left. But if we went straight, that's, we'd be continuing on Sheikh Zayed Road. You can see the Big Ben type tower there with a clock near the top. You have the modern and you have the older, if you will. But it's a developing city, fast developing. The road network is quite complex. The impression is that it takes a UK type logic or lack thereof sometimes, in the sense that to turn one way you end up having to go to the other way before the road swerves again and gets you in the direction you want. So you need to read the signs, not follow directional instinct. It's not a sunny day.